learn how to make website. In that case, you need to learn HTML. Let's start at the very beginning. What exactly is HTML and why do I need it? Let's break it down from the basic and build our way up. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It uses markup to describe the structure of web pages. The structure is built up by elements and they are represented by tags. Tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. These tags aren't shown in the pages but are used to display content in different ways. That's a lot to digest, so let's go into it. First, let's try it together. Don't worry about understanding, it'll take as we work through it. We start by declaring that this is an HTML document. The HTML is the root element of any HTML page. The head contains meta information about the document. The title element specifies a title for the document. The body contains the visible page content. Finally, the H1 defines a large heading, while P defines a paragraph. With everything set in the order, let's go into the explanation of how tags work. Tags typically come in pairs, a start tag and the end tag. The end tag is written just like the start tag, but with a forward slash inserted before the tag name. Here we've got the tag name and the forward slash tag name, and the content of the element in between. So if this was a paragraph, we use P, forward slash, P, and some text in the middle. Let's play a game. See if we can correctly match start and the end tags together. So what turns HTML code and element into a viewable website? Well, that's where web browser come in. The purpose of web browser, be it Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari, is to read HTML document and display them. But the browser does not display HTML code. Instead, it uses to determine how to display the document. Let's see what kind of building blocks are hidden behind this web page. This is a visualization of an HTML page structure. You can see the HTML, the head, with the page title below that, and then the body under that. And that's the basic. Let's delve into this further. When you're creating or modifying web pages, you can use any professional HTML editor. But when you're learning HTML, you should start with a simple text editor like Notepad on PCs or TextEdit on Macs. It's better to start simple before jumping into deep end. Here are 4 steps to create your first web page. Step 1. Open Notepad or TextEdit. In this video, we will use Notepad. Now it's time for step 2. Write some HTML. Stretch your finger and then either write or copy some HTML into Notepad. Then comes step 3. Save your work as an HTML page. Look at you, moving along so fast. To save it, select File and then Save As. Name the file index.html and set the encoding to UTF-8, which is the preferred encoding for all HTML files. HTML files can have the HTML or just HTML as files extension. And finally, we reach step 4. View the HTML page in a browser. Open the save HTML file in your favorite browser. The result should look like this.